Need to cancel a Western Union money order you've purchased? While not always guaranteed, especially once cashed, it's worth knowing the steps to attempt a cancellation. In this guide, I'll explain how to generally cancel a Western Union money order. To attempt to cancel a Western Union money order, you'll typically need to return to the location where you purchased it. Bring your original receipt and a valid form of identification. The cancellation process can only be initiated by the purchaser. The key factor in a successful cancellation is whether the money order has already been cashed by the recipient. If it has, cancellation is usually not possible, and you'll need to resolve the issue directly with the recipient. Finally, if the money order has not been cashed, the agent may be able to process a refund minus any service fees. The refund may take some time to process. Always keep your receipts for all money order transactions. And there you have it. Canceling a Western Union money order depends on its status. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.